Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. In today's video we are going to talk about lists in Python, how to access a single element and how to have slicing. So first of all, this is my list called numbers and these are the elements of my list 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. In order to access the first element, we simply use the name of the list and then the index of the first element, and the first index is index 0. So 0 is for 10, 1 is 20, index 2 is element 30, etc. until the end. But what if we want to have the indexing from the right hand side? If we want to have it from the right side, we can simply start with -1. When we put the -1, we're going to have the access to the last element, then -2 to the 1 to the last element, etc. So this way now I'm printing the first element, the last element, then here I am printing, I am doing the slicing in fact. So printing from the index 0 up until index 2 because the last element, the ending index is not included, it is excluded. So 10, 20 and 30 are the first three elements, index 0, index 1 and index 2. Index 0 up until 2 included is here. And then if we want to have the print from the index 2 onward, we simply write the name of the list and then number 2 and the colon. So 0, 1 and 2. This is the index 2 onward, 30, 40 and 50.